Example number 7, yung given natin is yung triangle. LOE is isosceles. So, that would be our statement number 1. Triangle LOE is isosceles. Tapos yung reason natin, dahil nandun siya sa given, so given pa din. Now, based dun sa ating statement number 1, na yung triangle LOE ay isosceles triangle, from that statement, makakapag-form tayo ng congruent parts, di ba? So, kapag sinabi nating isosceles or isosceles triangle, it means na meron tong dalawang congruent side. So, that would be our statement number 2. So, magbe-base tayo ng statement number 2 doon sa statement number 1. So, kung isosceles triangle ito, ibig sabihin, yung line segment LO ay congruent sa line segment LE. So, ayan yung ating statement number 2. Ngayon, ano yung reason natin? Dahil nga ito ay isosceles triangle, ibig sabihin, meron tong dalawang congruent side. Diba yun ay definition of isosceles triangle? So, that would be our reason for statement number 2. For statement number 3, balik ulit tayo sa ating given. So, nakasulat dito ay line segment LB bisects angle L. Ayan. So, anong reason natin dito? Given pa din. Magbabase tayo ng statement number 4 natin doon sa previous na nilagay natin sa statement number 3. So, naka-indicate dito yung line segment LB binisect or hinati niya yung angle L into two congruent parts. So, gawin natin doon sa figure. So, ito yung line segment LB, hinati niya yung angle L. So, from that statement, so hinati niya yung angle L. It means na nakapag-form ito ng dalawang congruent angles. Ibig sabihin, yung angle na ito ay congruent din sa angle na ito. So, yun yung ilalagay natin sa statement number 4. So, yung angle OLV ay congruent sa angle ELV. So, ano ang reason natin dito? Definition of angle bisector. Dahil hinati niya yung angle into two congruent parts, ito ay definition ng angle bisector. For statement number 5, check natin kung meron pa tayong given na information. So, dito, wala na. So, dalawa lang yung ating given na information. So, magbabase naman tayo or titingin tayo ng additional information doon sa ating figure mismo. So, titingnan natin kung meron ba ditong nag-overlap na side or may nag-share ng common side o kaya ay vertical angle. So, tingnan natin yung figure, di ba? So, yung triangle natin, kung mapapansin ninyo, parang dalawang triangle na pinagtabi. Ngayon, dahil pinagtabi sila at magkadikit sila, anong napansin ninyo? Do they share common side? Kung ang sagot nyo ay yes, tama kayo. They share common side. So, ano yung side na ito? That is line segment LB. It means na yung triangle na nasa left side at yung triangle na nasa right side, they share common side. That is line segment LB. So, that would be our statement number 5. So, yung line segment LB is congruent to itself. So, line segment LB is congruent to line segment LB. So, ano yung reason natin dito? So, ano bang property ito? That is reflexive property. Pag sinabi natin reflexive property, yung line segment ay congruent to itself. So, ayun. Kaya, the same lang yung tinutukoy natin. So, it means na ito na yung additional information natin. For our last statement, titingnan nga natin kung yung pinaprove natin, kung yung triangle LOB ba ay congruent sa triangle LPB. Para ma-check natin, titingnan natin yung mga statement na nilagay natin. So, i-check nga natin yung tatlong congruent parts na meron dito sa statement. So, meron tayong line segment LO, congruent sa line segment LE. So, meron tayong isang side. And meron tayong sa statement number 4, yung angle OLB, congruent sa angle ELB. So, meron tayong angle na congruent. And meron tayong line segment LB congruent sa line segment LB, which is also a line segment. So, side ito. So, we have here side, angle, side. So, my question is, congruent ba itong triangle na to? So, is triangle LOB congruent sa triangle LEB? The answer is yes. By what postulate? That is side, angle, side postulate. So, ano yung statement na magpo-prove dito? That is statement number 2, 4, and 5. Example number 8. So, dito, tignan lang natin yung given dito. So, yung line segment XY is congruent sa line segment XA. So, that would be our statement number 1. And then, lagyan natin doon sa figure. Lagyan natin ng hash mark, single hash mark. So, dito, yung line segment XY, ayan, congruent sa line segment XA. So, anong reason natin? Dahil nandun siya sa given. So, that would be given. For statement number 2, so balik ulit tayo doon sa ating given. So, nakasulat dito or naka-indicate dito na line segment XO bisects line segment YZ at O. Ayan. So, that would be our statement number 2. So, gawin nga natin sa figure. So, ito yon, line segment XO. Hinati niya or binisect or dinivide into two congruent parts yung line segment YZ at point O. So, ang reason natin dito, given. For statement number 3, yung isasagot natin dito, magbabase doon sa ating statement number 2. Kasi titingnan natin doon sa statement number 2 kung meron tayong mapo-form na congruent parts doon. Kung may mapo-form bang congruent angles or congruent na line segment. So, dito, nakasulat kasi yung line segment XO, hinati niya or binisect. Hinati niya yung line segment YZ at point O. So, it means na yung line segment na ito ay congruent din to sa line segment na ito. Kasi nga, bisect. Bisect means you divide yung line segment into two congruent parts. So, that would be our statement number 3. Kung ano yung na-form na congruent parts from statement number 2. So, line segment YO is congruent to line segment ZO. So, ano ba yung reason natin? Ito ay definition of segment bisector. So, ito yung definition niya. So, when we say segment bisector, it divides a line segment into two congruent parts. For statement number 4, i-check ulit natin kung meron pa tayong malalagay sa given. Wala na. So, wala na tayong additional na given. So, yung statement number 4, magbabase tayo doon sa given na figure natin. At dahil dalawang congruent parts lang yung nasa given natin, so ang gagawin lang natin is we're gonna find additional information based to sa figure. So, titingnan natin kung meron ba tayo makikita na overlapping na line segment. Meron ba tayong common side or do they share common side o kaya naman ay may vertical angles. So, based dito sa figure na to, mapapansin ninyo yung triangle na nasa left side at yung triangle na nasa right side, they share common side, di ba? So, ano nga ba itong side na to? That is line segment XO. So, ibig sabihin, yung triangle sa left side, yung side niya, yun din yung side ng triangle na nasa right side. So, that is line segment XO. So, ito yung additional information natin. So, yung line segment XO ay congruent din sa line segment XO. So, ano yung reason natin dito? Ano nga bang property ito? So, that is reflexive property, wherein yung line segment is congruent to its self. Based from our figure, makukonsider ba natin yung dalawang triangle ay congruent? Kung ang sagot nyo is yes, that is correct. So that would be our statement number 5. Triangle XYO is congruent to triangle XAO. So ano yung magja-justify na congruent silang dalawa? So that would be yung statement number 1 wherein meron tayong congruent na side, and statement number 3, congruent na side also. And lastly, yung statement number 4 na congruent side pa rin. So, yun. So, meron na tayong tatlong congruent side. My question is, congruent ba sila? Yes. By what postulate? That is SSS because of the statement 1, 3, at 4. For statement number 6, dito naman natin ilalagay kung ano yung ipoprove natin. That is, angle Y congruent sa angle Z. So, yan. That would be our statement number 6. So, i-draw nga natin ito sa figure. So, angle Y congruent sa angle Z. So, sa tingin nyo, congruent ba silang dalawa? Kung ang sagot ninyo is yes, that is correct. Dahil na-prove na natin na itong dalawang triangle na ito ay congruent by SSS postulate, it means that every part of it is congruent. So, ano yung ilalagay nating reason? So, ang ilalagay nating reason ay CPCTC, acronym for corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. It means na kapag yung dalawang triangles ay congruent, it means na every part of it is congruent also.